Ever tried a mango cake before? If not, today you're in for a treat. Picture this, a cake with the sweet tropical flavor of ripe mangoes, harmonizing delicately with the comforting aroma of baked flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. The cake is soft, moist, and packed with the essence of summer thanks to the star ingredient, the mango. This isn't just any cake, it's a mango cake, a tropical delight that takes your taste buds on a journey to paradise with every bite. Now, let's talk about what you'll need to bring this cake to life. Gather your ingredients: succulent ripe mangoes, flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. As for the equipment, you'll need a mixer to blend your ingredients into a smooth batter, an oven to bake your cake to perfection, and a cake pan to give it that perfect round shape we all love. Ready to dive into this tropical delight? Stick around! The first step in our mango cake journey begins with the cake batter. The magic of baking starts with the simple act of blending different elements together. It's a symphony of flavors and textures, and the cake batter is the conductor that brings it all together. Let's begin by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is warming, we'll also take a moment to grease our cake pan. This is an essential step to ensure our cake will slide out with ease once it's baked. You can use butter, oil, or a non-stick spray, whatever your preference may be. Now, onto the heart of our cake, the batter. We start with the dry ingredients. Into a large bowl, sift together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Sifting helps to aerate the flour, making our cake light and fluffy. In another bowl, we'll mix our wet ingredients. Start by creaming together 1 cup of unsalted butter and 1.5 cups of sugar until they reach a fluffy, cloud-like consistency. This is your chance to let out some stress and give it a good whisk. Once that's done, we'll beat in 3 eggs, one at a time, making sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. The star of our show, the ripe, juicy mango, comes in next. We'll need 2 cups of mango puree. The aroma of the mango adds an irresistible tropical touch, taking our cake to another level. Slowly, we'll combine the dry and wet ingredients, stirring gently to maintain the airiness we've worked so hard to create. The result is a smooth, luxurious batter, filled with the promise of a delicious mango cake. And there we have it. The first step of our journey, the cake batter, is complete. With a little bit of patience and a lot of love, we've created something truly wonderful. With our batter ready, we're halfway through the journey. Hang in there. Now that our batter is ready, it's time for some baking magic. Let's pour this vibrant mango batter into our greased cake pan. Got a preheated oven? Perfect. Slide the pan in there and let it bake. For this recipe, we'll need about 35 to 40 minutes. But remember, every oven is a law unto itself. So how do you know when your cake is done? Simple. Just insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean or with just a few crumbs, your cake is ready. While our cake is cooling, let's whip up our mango frosting. Start by whipping heavy cream with sugar until it forms stiff peaks. This gives our frosting a light, airy touch. Next, fold in the mango puree. The puree adds a burst of tropical flavor that's going to make this cake absolutely irresistible. Once our cake is baked and cooled, it's time to bring in the star of the show, our mango frosting. We're at the final stage now, where our mango cake comes to life. This is where all our hard work pays off, and we see our creation take shape. It's time for frosting, the sweet crowning glory of our cake. Imagine the frosting as a blanket, lovingly enveloping the cake, adding to its appeal and taste. We're going to spread a generous layer of our mango frosting that we prepared earlier all over the cake. Take your time and smooth it out with a spatula, ensuring the cake is evenly covered. Now this is your canvas. You can choose to decorate it further. Layering it with some extra mango slices can add to its visual charm and provide an extra burst of fruity flavor. Or perhaps sprinkle some garnishes of your choice. This is your masterpiece after all. Let your creativity shine. And there you have it, a delicious homemade mango cake. Try it out and let us know how it turned out.